Hello everyone and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to format the hard drive in your 4K Freesat box. I showed how to do this in my video on replacing the hard drive, but I thought I'd make a separate video on how to do it for anyone who only wants to know how to do that. But anyway, it's very easy. Just press the home button on your remote, then go to settings, system settings, box reset, and choose the option that says delete recordings only. Then enter in your PIN, which by default is 4 zeros, 0000, and that's it. And then your Freesat box will go through formatting and it will reboot after that, and then all your recordings will be removed. But that's it, that's how to format the hard drive in your 4K Freesat box. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.